Today is September 30th, 2018. This summer was a lot of rain, and basically I wanna come to check it out. My forest, what my forest doing. So let me check it out today. Nice temperature. Now actually like a 55 to 60 degree. So temperature is a little bit colder, getting colder. Fall is starting. So let me check it out. What forest doing. Nice, beautiful sun. Beautiful. Hello, dear. What? Buck. 2 point. 저기 봐봐. 얘들 무서워하겠어요, 사람들? 왕이지. 오마야. 그거 한 마리 드시는 거 아니야? Nice fresh air. I can see some mushrooms now. Look at this. Over here, growing. You cannot see well, but now is a blooming season. Time to blooming. This is Hannah Wood. I can see blooming Hannah Wood. Nice Hannah Wood. Blooms. Nice, beautiful. Nice, beautiful. Nice, beautiful. Coming up. Nice, beautiful. Hannah Wood. Time to harvest Hannah Wood. Nice, beautiful. Alright. This is beauty. This is the beauty of forest. I see nice Hannah Wood now, big blooming. This is the Hannah Wood. This can be harvested. Nice harvest. Very fresh. Coral mushroom. I don't know this is edible or not. Just to make sure. If you don't know, not sure, don't attempt harvest any mushrooms. A lot of mushroom activities. I don't know what kind of mushroom it is. Gray color. Hollow. What kind of mushroom? Just blooming on the ground. What kind of mushroom? Look at this mushroom. What is this mushroom? This is coral mushroom. I don't know. This is edible or not. What kind of mushroom is this? This is the honey mushroom, I think. This is nice mushroom, but I don't know what is this. Mushroom like this. Boleta is this, boleta. What kind of mushroom is this? Boleta. Some kind of juice comes out. Like milk comes. I found a lot of unknown mushroom today. So if you watch my video, or if you know any of mushroom about this mushroom, please let me know. Looks like this mushroom also. Looks good, edible. I don't know. Color is like this. Unknown mushroom. Please let me know what is right here. This is a chicken of woods. Edible. This is the edible mushroom. But this is old, became old. This mushroom is for the medical mushroom. This is a nice medical mushroom. This is a beauty. Holy moly beauty. This is beautiful, nice one. Look at this clean shot. Beautiful clean. Nice, nice, nice. Water is boiling. So in the boiled water, we're gonna put the mushroom just a few seconds. Alright, lightly cook. Just lightly. Do not overcook. Rinse out with cold water. So we're gonna make a couple dish with this Hannibal wood, alright? With pork, bacon. We'll make with bacon. Now butter garlic mushroom. We're gonna make a butter garlic mushroom saute. Garlic and butter. This is kimchi soup with basa.